In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable notifications from Asphalt 8 game app. If you're receiving a lot of alerts from this game and you wish to put a permanent end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you like it, please subscribe. Now to do this, go ahead and find the app info page, and you can simply do this by just long pressing on your app, and you should see app info. If you can't see app info, you should be able to see a settings gear or the name of the app. Tap on it to access the app info page for this game app. From here, head over to permissions section, and under it you should see notifications. If you tap on notifications, you can see all these types of notifications are on. Among them, notification badges, floating notifications, lock screen, play sound, vibration, as well as permanent notifications. To turn them off, just toggle off this show notifications. From now henceforth, you never again receive alerts from this app unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently disable Asphalt 8 car racing notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.